Guys, I'm Christa. Ever click the subscribe button on my channel, turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys. I love you. Hi guys, I'm still Christa Ever. So today is Sunday. Fortunately for me, I didn't go to pick my items. Why? Because I was so reluctant, I was so tired, I was so weak, and I don't want to be disappointed. Yeah, I don't want a situation whereby I will go there and they will be like, we don't have your item yet. So I decided to stay at home. As you can see, I'm still returning from evening mass, so that's to show you guys I was so tired. And I'll go tomorrow to pick it up. As you all can see, I made my outfit, and I also uploaded the video on my business page. Let me just use the word business page. I'll drop the link down below so you guys check it out, and also make one for yourself. Remember that our new collection is dropping soon, and always check our website to see what we have for you guys. Oh, some people can be so annoying. They have brought the light, still their gen, be their whatever is still on, and I can't sleep. The noise is too much. This one is making sound, the other side oh God, please, somebody should go and tell them that they have brought the light. Oh, hey. So today is the day. Today is Wednesday, so I didn't go on Monday or Tuesday. So I'm going today to go and pick my second package. Let's go. So guys, we are on our way to Let me just tell you something that happened today. I wanted to go and buy what's it called? Memory card. I went to a shop and we were discussing how much. We are just beating about the price, how much to sell for 16 gig. So one guy and a lady entered the shop. So the guy was talking, and the lady was trying to remove something on the man's face. Although I saw that and I was like, it's none of my business, let me just leave it that way, because I don't know the kind of person that person is. So I decided to be on myself. I decided to be on my own than to get insults from somebody that I don't even know. And I don't like disgrace or embarrassment. So the next thing I had was the guy was telling the girl, I will slap you. I will give you a dirty slap. And the girl was like trying to explain and said, sir, I'm trying to remove something on your face. What I heard was, hey, jeez. First in history, in my front, a guy slaps a lady. I was like, Jesus, I can't even hold it. I was so shocked. I was like, excuse me, sir, why will you slap her because she's trying to remove something on your face? And he was trying to explain to other guys that that she's insulting her, that she's doing this and that she's doing that. I was just there quiet, thinking of my next move to do to that guy. I kept quiet. I was just boiling inside. I don't know what to do. I don't know. It's just I was so annoyed. Like I don't even know what to do. So I turned to the girl and was like, "Are you working for him?" And she said yes. Wow, I felt so pity. Like I felt pity for her. If the guy can slap her in public, what, as in, just imagine the extent of what violence that she's suffering because she's under him. And the next thing I said was, babe, better quit the job. The guy come turn to me and said, you are very stupid. And say, sir, you are more stupid by slapping a lady in public. Number one. Number two, you are so fucked up stupid by replying me in a stupid way. I'm trying to correct you and you are here insulting me like we exchanged words. I was so annoyed. I laughed at you, sir. Kai, I don't pass you beside, I don't pass you. You know, reach my level. But if you won't follow me talk, like I get me a mirror and say, although you will beat me physically, but thank God, on Air Force kind of way made the show. Air Force did so. And we got to rest for 1 week. So I was so angry today, like, no, I just try to control myself, but I keep hearing that slap sound. That scene, I don't think I can forget that scene in a hurry. Like, I was so annoyed and angered by that scenario. Like, it's so bad, man. It's so bad. So, all the guys out there, and if you know that a lady is working for you, please, pamper a lady is working for you, pamper her very well, like treat her like your own sister and stop treating ladies as if they are slaves. Guy, I'm just talking to that person that slapped that girl. If you are watching this video, I don't bloody care who you are. Anytime you, as in, don't even come across somebody like me, because I'm not gonna make you for as a warning stuff. I may be quiet too, but I'm not quiet. This is so with me when them fuck all get up and I know you. So I don't care. And to all the guys out there that is maltreating girls anyhow they like. Oh, when ding game, I won't do na mamma. Una meruti asa. Try level ebigano. So girls, it's better you better start to speak up and tell guys your man what kind of rubbish is that thing. I was so angered by that scenario, Pico. Even my brother cannot do that. Some men and sit here down. So we are in MTN office for SIM registration at Rumola. So after the SIM registration, we go and pick our package and we'll start going home. so I used 120 to that. So guys, last I picked my package, like, let me just say 30 minutes ago. I was expecting something big, but this came like this, like it's so small. Let me open it and see how the stuff looks like. This stuff looks like. Let me open it. Yeah. God, this is so tiny, but I love it, sir. Guys, so I'm growing. My brand is growing. We are achieving stuffs, guys. Oh my god, I love how these people packaged this thing. Oh my god, let me show you how this thing looks like. This is my label, DVC Creations. Elegance is elimination. You can send me an email at dvccreations1@gmail.com. So guys, get prepared. We are going to get you labeled with our brand name. Yay, my company is improving, guys. I so much love this. Oh my god, let me show you guys another one. I just scattered this gold, guys. Can you see? Oh my god. Thank you so much to Woven Label Shop. I love how perfect and neat this thing is. Like, it doesn't shed out, it doesn't ravel, it doesn't, this is so good. Like, I love this. So finally, I picked my package. I was not disappointed the second time. So guys, if you love this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comment down below. I'm so happy, guys. My customized label is back. So can you see? Yeah, man. This is it, guys. I love this thing so much. I now have a customized brand label. I'm so happy for myself. Like, god, the ink, as in the improvements, the growth is immeasurable. Like, I love and I give God all the praise for this journey so far. So follow us on IG at DVC Creations. Also be checking our website for any updates of our collection. Love you guys.